Is it a trash can or is it a garbage can? I don't know, but whatever it is, I know that it smells. So this week, I'm gonna show you not only how to clean your indoor garbage cans and clean them and get rid of their disgusting odors, but I'll also show you how to clean the ones that live outdoors too. Kick things off by emptying your garbage, and once that's done, you can take an all-purpose cleaner, and here I'm just using warm water and a tablespoon of dish soap and spraying it around the exterior of the garbage can. That can sort of do its thing. It's gonna get rid of any buildup that has sort of fallen when things have been loosely tossed into the trash. Then I'll move to the interior. I'm going to spray that down as well with the same mixture, and to get rid of the odors and to scratch off some of that really cruddy, garbagey stuff, I'm gonna toss in about half a cup of baking soda and just let that do its thing. The baking soda is designed to remove any of the buildup, but the key part here is the baking soda also helps deodorize. And anything that can neutralize garbage odors, that is perfectly welcome in my house. Make sure you spray the interior really well. You want it dripping, basically. The exterior, of course, you can get started on by just using an S pattern and wiping it down. The inside of the garbage can, you want that to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Reason being, the baking soda really needs time to do its work. Then start scrubbing your garbage can from the top, working your way down to the bottom. I'm gonna make sure that I'm also getting the lid of my garbage can as well, making sure that you get all of that crud in there, rinsing your sponge as needed, and of course, ensuring that you don't fall into the bottom of your garbage can. Now it's time to rinse out the sudsy mess, so depending on the size of your garbage can, you can either do this in your kitchen sink, obviously you will clean your sink after, or you can do it outside where you have a garden hose. Then you want to make sure that you dry it really, really well. When you're cleaning your outdoor garbage containers, obviously the best time to do this is right after garbage day. You are going to make up a solution in a spray bottle of equal parts dish soap and white vinegar. This is a really powerful cleaner. It can degrease, it can deodorize, and trust me, your container is gonna need it. Take it to an area that you have a lot of free space to work in, and obviously the fact that you're in open air is great because this mixture does smell a little bit, and you're gonna do a 3-phase spray. And the reason we do this is because we're gonna give the product the opportunity to really work, then we're gonna hit it again with more product, and then we're gonna wait, and we're gonna hit it again with more product, and we're gonna wait, then we're gonna scrub. You're gonna see that the product really helps break down that grease and grime, makes it so much easier to clean, which means less elbow grease for you. So mix up that solution, spray your entire garbage can outside, inside, top to bottom, wait 5 minutes. Then come back, do it all over again. Wait 5 minutes, come back, do it once more, and after 5 minutes, you're gonna fill a bucket with some hot, soapy water, and you'll just start to scrub. Now, it does require some elbow grease, but the fact that we spent that 15 minutes pre-treating is really gonna reduce the amount of scrub time you have. Once you're done scrubbing, and again, don't skimp here, this is, an important job, you're gonna give the garbage can a really good rinse out with a hose. When that's done, put it in a sunny area and let it dry. I recommend doing this twice a year. Again, fall and spring are a perfect time. I'd love to know in the comments down below, when was the last time you cleaned your garbage can? Now, don't feel so bad because the last time I cleaned mine was probably 18 months ago. So clearly, I'm gonna be taking my own advice. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.